Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna show you my 6-step hair care routine which makes my hair super soft, smooth and reverses the damage. First, I'll comb my hair very gently so that I don't break any hair strand. Here I'm using a wooden comb, and it's very important to comb your hair before washing it, otherwise you will end up losing lots of hair. Alright, I'm done. Now I'll apply the Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex, and I am just obsessed with this product. This feels like a very lightweight oil on your hair and it smells a bit weird, but leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour and see the magic. Once you wash your hair with water, you will feel your hair has become so soft. And about repair, yes, it works on hair bonds and reverses the damage. It makes your hair super soft, smooth and shiny, and obviously a lot healthy. After almost an hour, I'm gonna take shower. Today I'll use this Wishcare HA Anti-dandruff shampoo, and this is my recent holy grail. I have recently started using it and I cannot tell you how much I'm loving it. I love how it cleanses my oily and itchy scalp and gets rid of all the residue and sebum. And the best part, it doesn't dries out my hair. Instead, it makes my hair super soft and smooth. It's been a while since I used something like this. Also, I always dilute my shampoo before using it. I feel that way it works much better and I save lots of product from getting wasted. After washing my hair, I use this Wishcare anti-hairfall conditioner, and I use this Dove mask once a week. These two products keep my hair super soft and smooth throughout the week. But today I'm gonna use this conditioner by Paradise since I dyed my hair few days ago, and this is also good. I always take a good amount of conditioner and apply on my lens like this. Doing this motion smoothens out the frizzy, unruly hair. I'll keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash it off. Now that I'm done with my hair wash, I will let my hair air dry. My hair is 70% dry. Now I'll use this Wishcare hair growth complex. I'll just spray it all over my scalp and give my head a good massage. Meanwhile, my hair length dried a little more, and now I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Professional Liss Unlimited Hair Serum. This is a very lightweight gel-like serum which makes my hair super soft and smooth, tames the frizz and makes my hair super manageable. And that's pretty much it. This is the final look. I know the process is a bit long, but I really don't want bad hair days. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon in my next videos. Till then, annyeong!